Hi, and welcome to this Me module training. This training is focused on the KWL charting feature in this module. To find the KWL chart the first time, you will need to move to the end of Unit 1, Lesson 1. Right here. Throughout the rest of the course, you will be able to click on the link that says KWL Chart to be taken directly to it. So let's get started. Now that we've clicked on the link for the KWL chart at the end of Unit 1, Lesson 1, you will be taken to this page. At the top of the lesson, you will notice that there is a KWL chart as well as instructions to gather the same information in a listed format. The first time that you access this feature, you will need to click on the Start or Edit My Journal entry button, which is right here. Once we click this button, it opens a text field that we can start using to develop our KWL chart. In this field, we will paste a copy of the chart that was created above. Using my mouse, I will highlight the chart starting right before the words KWL and dragging down to the capital L. Once this is highlighted, we will copy this by either using the right mouse click, or you can use the Edit menu at the top of the page or keystrokes for copying. Go down to the field that was created when we clicked on the Start or Edit My Journal entry button and click in the field. Now you will want to paste the chart that we just copied into this field. I will do it again by using the right click on my mouse. The next step is to begin entering information into our KWL chart. To do that, we can click just to the right of our letter K, press backspace to delete it, and begin typing in what we know for our first lesson. So I'm adding just a little bit of information about what I know. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to remove the W as well as the L, so we won't need those. Those are really just placeholders. And I'm going to type a little bit of information into here so that you can see how the table reacts when we add data to it. I would like to know how I got into special education and how I get out. What I learned. I learned that I am in special education because I have difficulty with reading, and that it is a program that will help me learn how to best manage this difficulty. All right, so something else that you can do just to make things cleaner is you can highlight each of these And you have lots of options up here, and you can click on this icon to give you more. But I like bulleting stuff. And so if you bullet these, it can make them a lot cleaner for the future. You don't have to do this. This is kind of an extra little feature that you can use if you'd like. It just makes the whole thing look cleaner, and it makes it easier for your teacher or support person to know where the last one started and where the new one is starting in terms of your entries. So the other option is simply to do the same thing, but instead of having the chart, you can come in here and say K and hit enter. And then I'm just going to copy the same information because it makes it easier to do this and takes less time. And we come in here and we copy that. Oh, it brought the whole thing. Caramba. That is my fault because I hit the wrong button. So let me come back up here and highlight this and copy it correctly. I'll use my mouse this time. Copy. We'll come down here and paste. And then we can do the W. And this really just makes it easier to keep track of information that you've put in here. So I'll just come up here and copy this as well. Copy. Come down here and paste. And same thing with the L that I've learned. Copy. Come down here and paste. Gives you the same option to keep track of all of your information in a clean format. Again, I like the bullets just because it makes it easier to know where one entry begins and the last one left off. So when you come back in for the next entry for K, you can simply hit enter and continue typing. I know that, whatever you would like to say. And the same thing for the W and the L down here. Alternatively, if you're going to use the chart, you can simply hit enter, and the same thing, same process works. Don't forget to hit save changes before you're done, because if you don't hit save changes, you will lose your data. This site does not auto-save, so you'll want to make sure that you hit save changes. That's it for this KWL chart training. I hope that it made sense to you and that it helps you make progress through what we're doing here. Thank you so much, and keep at it.